Meaning of defensible.
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 Defensible. The term defensible refers to something that can be protected or justified with good reasons and evidence. It implies that there are sound and logical arguments to support a claim or position, making it resistant to criticism or attack. In other words, a defensible argument is one that can withstand scrutiny and maintain its validity. Being able to present defensible arguments is important in many domains, such as law, politics, education, and science, where convincing and rational reasoning is necessary to persuade others and make informed decisions.